Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm back. I'm here today. I'm currently at a car meet. I'm just gonna keep it real short, so I'm not really gonna talk much. I'm just gonna show more of the cars, and yeah, let's see what we find today. So I'll see y'all there. Alright, what's up, everyone? Back from the car meet, and it was alright. I really just went just to go since I haven't been in like half a year to any car meets, and that's really where I started my photography, and that's where really it took me here. But yeah, enough of that. I just want to say, back from the car meet at the office, I'm just uploading the pictures, and yeah, they're right there. I'm editing them, and yeah. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.